Hi! In front of me is VIVO V21 and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this VIVO device. Firstly, access menu and find calendar, then click on it. Now tap on this icon at the bottom right corner and select Got It. Then click on the month above and pick a date by tapping on the chosen one. After that, you need to click on this plus icon at the bottom right corner and select event. Now you can customize it however you wish to. For example, add a title, choose starting or ending hour, or turn it off completely by tapping on the switcher next to all day. You can also select location over here, take notes, change color, and even add people from your contact book. When you're ready, choose Save at the top right corner, and as you can see, my event was successfully created. You can always get rid of it by tapping on it, choosing those three dots at the top right corner and selecting Delete. Then confirm your choice by tapping on Delete one more time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!